The iPhone 17 is shaping up to be yet another example of Apple doing the bare minimum while charging a premium. With only a few months to go before its expected launch, the standard iPhone 17, not the Pro, not the Air, is already disappointing on multiple fronts. After years of ignoring user demands, Apple is finally bringing a 120 Hz refresh rate to the regular iPhone, but even that comes with strings attached. Leaks suggest it won't be full-fledged ProMotion. Instead, it might just be a basic high refresh panel that scales between 60 Hz and 120 Hz, or at best 10 Hz to 120 Hz, far from the 1 Hz capabilities of actual ProMotion. This is Apple catching up to what mid-range Android phones have had for years. Nothing revolutionary, just late. Then there's the front camera. Apple is doubling the megapixels from 12 megapixels to 24 megapixels, but it's 2025 and every budget Android already offers similar or better specs. This upgrade is years overdue, and the company still acts like it's a major leap forward. It's another classic Apple move. Delay standard features, reintroduce them as innovations, and let marketing handle the rest. For anyone who uses their phone for video calls or selfies, this improvement is the least Apple could do after sitting on the same sensor since the iPhone 14 Pro. Wireless charging is also getting a bump with Qi 2.2 support, up to 50 watt on MagSafe. That sounds exciting until you remember Apple's been stuck on 15 watts for far too long. Once again, they're playing catch-up with tech that's already mainstream elsewhere. Sure, faster wireless charging is nice, but it shouldn't have taken this long. And while improved USB-C speeds are expected too, that's hardly a headline in 2025, it's basic. Internally, Apple is continuing with its custom-made connectivity chip, the C1, with improvements supposedly coming in battery efficiency. But unless those improvements are drastic, users shouldn't expect anything game-changing. The fact that Apple even highlights this chip as a talking point shows how little else there is to be excited about. And just to make matters worse, the iPhone 17 isn't even getting the upcoming A19 chip. It's sticking with the same A18 chip used in the iPhone 16, a mid-tier move that's more about cutting costs than pushing boundaries. While Pro and Air models are expected to jump to 12 gigabytes, the regular iPhone 17 is stuck with 8 gigabytes. Sure, that might be enough for now, but Apple knows it's not future-proof. Instead of giving users something that lasts, they're ensuring you'll feel forced to upgrade again sooner rather than later. So yes, the iPhone 17 will be here in September 2025, and it'll still cost you $799. And for what? A few half-hearted upgrades and a chip from last year? It's not innovation, it's Apple milking loyalty and calling it progress.